In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ClickUp with Google Sheets. This integration is a fantastic way to streamline your workflow, allowing you to seamlessly pull data from your ClickUp tasks right into your Google Sheets for more efficient and organized data management. Whether you're looking to analyze your project's progress or to create insightful reports based on your existing ClickUp data, this easy integration process will be a game changer for you. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is install the ClickUp to Sheets add-on from the Google Workspace Marketplace. This tool is essential because it facilitates the connection between ClickUp and Google Sheets, ensuring a smooth data flow. To find this add-on, head over to the Google Workspace Marketplace and use the search function to look for ClickUp to Sheets. Once you locate it, click on the Install button. You may be prompted to grant certain permissions. This is completely normal, so go ahead and allow the necessary access. These permissions simply let the add-on read your data from ClickUp and update your Google Sheets accordingly. After you've successfully installed the add-on, it's time to connect your ClickUp account. This is a critical step, as it allows the add-on to access your specific ClickUp tasks and lists. To do this, you'll need to authorize the add-on to link with your ClickUp account. The process is straightforward. Open the add-on from your Google Sheets menu, and you'll receive a prompt to connect. Click on the authorization link, which will direct you to a new window where you can sign in to ClickUp. Follow the instructions, and once the connection is established, you'll see your ClickUp information ready to be synced. Once your account is connected, the next step is selecting which of your target lists from ClickUp you'd like to synchronize with Google Sheets. This customization is vital because it tailors the integration to your specific needs, only pulling in the data that's relevant to you. Within the add-on, you'll be able to choose from a variety of lists that you have access to in ClickUp. Click on the list you're interested in, and then you'll see options for sync preferences. Here, you can establish how frequently the data is updated between ClickUp and Google Sheets, which is perfect for keeping your information up to date without manual intervention. Now that you have set your target list and sync preferences, the add-on will automatically load data into Google Sheets. What's more, it supports updates back to ClickUp, so any changes you make in Google Sheets can be reflected in ClickUp seamlessly. This means that your project management can be more dynamic with real-time data analytics at your fingertips. And there you have it. With just a few simple steps, you have successfully integrated ClickUp with Google Sheets. I hope this tutorial enhances your productivity and helps you get the most out of your data management tasks. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful guides and tutorials.